ngayon nga na you're raising your profile, so how do you intend to use your platform to champion your cause, your advocacies, personal advocacies?
Well, as an artist and I would say an evolving designer, parang I want to be able to challenge the norms and then inspire change na rin. And then at the same time, parang continue on telling untold stories through my work here at Titan. So I've been asked, well, my friends, my families, and then other people, parang I've been asked how do I apply those visions or those challenges in my everyday life as an apparel designer. Kasi when you hear about apparel designer, people think of it na design ka lang ng t-shirt, yun na yun. Pero for me, it has a deeper sense to it. And I always tell them na it's about the intention na we make or I make. So every decision that you make, it has to be intentional. Who it is for, and what is it about. And that is something that hindi ako hindi ako mapapagod na gawin. Hindi ko siya aalisin sa habit ko as a designer. And I will continue to do that na to work with intention and with meaning so I can present that to the world na every work that I do or every product that we release, it has intention or it's meant for something, like especially the Women's Month collection, the collection that is inspired by the athletes and made for the athletes. So yon. And of course, parang I think ito rin yung one of the biggest realizations that I have like working for Titan na being a product designer, they have or it has allowed me to take that step in challenging the norm or changing the landscape of sports and fashion nga. To be able to inspire na be able to inspire women na we have a place to take up, na we all have space for that, and a place where we can reimagine sports fashion, where we can forward women focused projects, and just a space where we can showcase her. So that's the kind of space that I want to carve out while doing, of course, the my role as an apparel designer. And I think I want to be able to do that through the works that I do for the private label.
I believe in the saying that you can't be what you can't see. So it's important for others, the younger generation, other women to see someone who represents something na someone na hindi naman siya like I think yung ginagawa namin tatlo ngayon is hindi siya masyadong karaniwan or nakasanayan na ginagawa ng mga babae. And I think um meron kaming role din para sa mga taong katulad namin na gusto sa path na to na nakikita nila kami and pwede silang mapasok din sa larangan na ganito na and I think ang gusto ko lang din is maging representation of someone that has dreamed big and inspire those to dream big because I think the universe rewards those that dream big and put in the work. Basta gawin mo lang siya, the universe will find a way to make it happen for you. And I've been blessed with opportunities like eto, many opportunities from Titan then that fueled my growth and I want to pay that forward. I want to be a blessing to others then in any way that I can, especially in the landscape that we're working in a very male dominated yung industry and well society in itself. I hope na to show women that yung unique perspective namin and yung voices namin nagmamatter and that kami mismo we take it in our hands to actually make space for each other and I guess through my work through my art and showing up as authentically as who I am my goal is just to keep creating something that resonates and empowers women moving in the space, like the game, and there is space for people like us to contribute to the game in other areas too. Hindi lang siya dahil hindi ka nagba-basketball, hindi ka na pwede dito. So madaming areas din talaga na valuable yung kaya nating dalhin, yung what we bring to the table. And it's also a fresh perspective in kung ano yung nakasanayan na natin. So, gusto ko lang sabihin na when women uplift one another, we build spaces where dreams thrive and possibilities become realities. So I just wanna be someone that empowers women because when women empower women, we all win.
You will have your son siguro growing up. He will look up to you. And as
So,
someone who, well, as someone has who has a platform to champion your cause, your advocacy, how would you maximize it, intend to use it?
I think that um I feel like I've been already so blessed by the circumstances of my life being given this opportunity and other opportunities to be in the spotlight and to share my talents. And if it so happens that I'm in a certain place to speak up for other women because my voice is amplified, um yeah, I'm not going to stop talking about how women need to be uplifted in all aspects of life, not just in the work that they do at home, but also in the work that we do outside of the home, meaning our careers and our ambitions. I want to not just be able to be like a figurehead for parang this is what you can be, but if I'm in a certain position, I want to be able to actually give them parang a leg up or to be that arm that lifts them up however I can. Ang galing kasi ng like the younger generation now, grabe. It's really true what they say na parang paabante talaga lahat ng henerasyon. So I want them to be able to exceed me if I can so help them. Parang they can be their version of me, but even better. I think that's the job of every generation that's in the spotlight to make sure that the path of generations before them becomes not so hard to walk. Um, and I think that I want to encourage women who have had dreams of starting their own streetwear brand na parang I hope that you don't think twice. I hope that parang you learn to parang silence that parang insecurities in your mind kasi we need you. We need more women in street culture. Your point of view is so unique. Your stories, the stories that you contribute are so unique, and we need more of that even now. And then as as I'm experiencing being a new mother, dati akala ko parang na if you become a mom, that's where dreams go to die. That's not true. I don't know why I thought of that before. And mothers, like any women, are capable of so much. Kailangan lang talaga natin ng support, ng accommodation to be able to explore who we are and what we can be. And again, I think that it's up to our partners, it's up to the men around us to champion us. I'll never tire of saying that. That's the job of men to watch out for your women, to um, give them what they need to be able to grow and flourish and thrive without so much friction sana. Kasi Like I was saying a while ago, parang women are capable of so much. And even with all the obstacles in front of us, even with struggles, we're able to self-actualize. But sana it doesn't have to involve a lot of hardship. Sana wala naman tayo masyadong kailangan isakripisyo to be able to reach our dreams. That's a really old story that's getting very tiring to hear. Na a woman has to sacrifice so much to be able to do this. But what if we can have it all, diba? With enough support, with enough love, with enough space. You know, I hope someday.
Okay. On that note, I just want to thank everyone for culminating this. It's been a pleasure. Thank you. Thank you so much.